So today we've got an unboxing of this Coach Rogue Dragon Lunar New Year special, and let's take a look. The box, I gotta say, is amazing. I mean, look at this. That's really nice box. It's a special limited edition piece. It's already sold out on the website, so it's black all the way around. Okay, so let's take a look. Oh, so it doesn't even come off. It's kind of like a flip top on a hinge. So knowing Coach, they would have this completely wrapped up. So let me see if I can unwrap this all quickly. Oh, wow. This is actually much better than I expected. This is beautiful. Look at that. It's a smooth grain leather. It looks like it's painted on, but it can't possibly be because that would be really expensive. But it feels like it is. It's got texture. All right, let me move this out of the way. Okay. It's completely wrapped up, so I'm gonna pause the video, take all this stuff off, and I'll come back. Oh, I am back. It took forever to take off all that wrapping because everything was completely wrapped up. So this is a special Lunar New Year collaboration with a Beijing artist. Her name is Lian Yang, and it's to celebrate the Year of the Dragon. So if you all know that if you're a rooster, the Year of the Dragon is a very lucky year if you're a rooster, because the rooster and the dragon combined is like extra special. So if you're a Year of the Rooster, this is going to be one of the best years of your life. I'm a Year of the Rooster, so I'm pretty excited. It's glove tanned leather, so it's very smooth. This one does show some of the natural leather grain, like here you can see it. So that's normal for a bag like this, to show some of the actual cow leather where it has some marks and stretch marks. So that's kind of nice. I like that, because that means the leather hasn't been too processed. So here, this is a deeper one, so that's okay. So that's actually how the bag is, the leather is. So it's not like a flaw mark or anything. So I'll see if I can bring this a little bit closer. These little gold painted lines, you can actually feel every single one, which I think is pretty cool. So that's added on, I think, after it's already been printed on. But the artwork is amazing on this. I love it. The color is nude. The bag is a nude. Buff is the actual name of the color. It's got brass hardware. So I left some of these tags on. I didn't take it all off. Okay, so the inside here, we've got double pockets on the outside. I don't know if you can see, this is actually lined with leather. Normally it's suede in my other Rogue bags, but this is actually leather. It's buttery smooth, feels really nice. Okay, so let's zoom in a little bit. And zipper is nice and smooth, awesome. Inside is a canvas, beige canvas lining for the main compartment. It's got some more pockets here, 2 extra slip pockets for receipts or cards or something like that. These outside ones are pretty roomy. Probably stick maybe an iPad. I'll take a look at what fits inside in a little bit after we take a look at the details of this bag. Top handle, pretty sturdy. Comes with 2 sets of straps. So these 2 separate ones you can attach with dog clips. I love the dog clips. And you can carry it like this by shoulder. So it'd be a shoulder carry with these double straps. I actually prefer the crossbody, so it comes with an additional thicker width strap for a crossbody. You can attach it like that. And then you can carry it that way. So which is what I prefer, so I'll probably try that. All right, it has feet at the bottom, which is nice. When you set it down, you know, you can kind of keep it away from some dirt. All right, I will come back and we'll see what fits. Oh, it also has this hang tag. This is kind of cool because on the other side, it has Coach X, and I'm assuming, I can't read Chinese, but I'm assuming that is the artist's last name, or maybe for full name. Okay, I'll be right back and we'll see what fits in this bag. I forgot to say that it also comes with this dust bag. I was hoping it would come with the cotton version of the dust bag, but this is more like the silky satin one, and it feels kind of thin, which I'm not a huge fan of, but it's what it is. It comes with a dust bag. Okay, so let's see what fits. I love a smooth leather zipper. Okay, so I don't normally carry a lot, but this is a journal that does fit nicely on the outside. It's like a perfect fit. I've got sunglasses, cell phone. This is the iPhone 15, my husband's. So I'll put that right in there. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. This is a little pouch that I like to carry sometimes. Oops. I no longer carry a wallet. I prefer a card case. So it's much smaller, thinner, easier if you want to carry a smaller bag at times. You don't have to keep switching. My keys. Inhaler. And like some mints. And here we are. AirPods Pro. And as you can see, there's plenty of room still. And you can also even keep more stuff on the outside pockets. So this bag carries a lot. But when you fill it up, it does feel heavy. This is probably at least 3, maybe 4 pounds already with all the stuff in it. But I normally don't carry all of this. This is just to show what fits. I mean, this may be more accurate. I mean, I may not even carry that. So yeah, this I would say is more accurate. So this is maybe 2 to 3 pounds. Still decent, because once you go over the 3 pounds, it starts to feel really heavy. But yeah, I kind of love it. All right, let me show you one more thing and then we'll get out of here. Okay, so I just want to show you guys this beautiful box one more time and how it's really cool when you flip it open here and then just reveals the bag. I mean, that's just really cool presentation. All right, and then we'll do a little 360 of this bag. There's a dragon. I wish I had one of those little 360 spinners. You can just rotate the bag on its own. So the back is smooth and blank, really pretty. This is a nude blush color. And it's got the zippers, the little Coach on the tag, zipper tab. Yeah, what do you guys think? I'll have a full review on my blog. I'll link it below in the description if you want to see some mod shots and some other thoughts I have on the bag. That's it for me. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care.